we're going to be making our own SUMO salt and pepper shakers. We're going to need plastic bottles. We're going to need some paint to paint the bottles up. We'll need some scissors. We'll need a marker, some tape, and a paintbrush, of course, to paint it, right? So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just draw around the circumference of my bottle. And I'm just going to draw along the edge. So I'm going to draw one more line the same way I did here. So basically, I'm going to just dispose of this middle section. I'm going to use this bottom part and this top part. If you don't have a skin tone, I can tell you how to make it. And if you have a skin tone, then go ahead and start painting your bottles up. So it's a very neutral skin tone, very reddish, mildly yellow. So I just mixed some red, some white, and some yellow to get this color. I'm going to be puncturing holes into this bottle, and it's going to be really noisy. So this is what the body of my first shaker looks like. I haven't taped it up entirely yet. You will need to tape up the bottom half and the top half. Okay, so the next step after kind of getting the skin done would be to kind of draw the SUMO shorts. You can make them white, you can make them black, however you want it. I'm keeping the white and the black as color codes for salt and pepper, what it should look like. See, there's a waistband going around, and then it's going down and over under. It looks like a pair of shorts. It's going down, and now we're at the back. This is what mine's looking like. Okay, so the next step for me is going to be to get the hair done. So I'm going to get some black, and I'm going to start from the top and work my way down. So I'm just marking out the hairline of my sumo wrestler. So like I've done half the back of my head of my sumo wrestler right now. Cool. So this is the back of his head, and this is the front, right? Now drawing the face. The first layer is kind of dried off. I'm just going to go over my brush, fill in all the white spots that have missed out or have kind of resurfaced for some reason. I'm just adding in some details, also filling up spaces wherever required. This is what mine is looking like. So the next and the last step is going to be, once it entirely dries up and you're done entirely painting it, you're going to make holes on top. On your bottle cap, you're going to unscrew it, you're going to make a few holes. You can use a needle for that. If you have mom or dad around, that would be great, because then you won't hurt yourself. You can always ask them to help you, and you can come up with those small holes, and then you can use it as a shaker. How cool is that?